What is C++ used for? Top 12 real-world applications and uses of C++. Okay. C++, you could use it for games. You could use it for GUI-based applications. You can develop GUI-based and desktop application easy as it has got with required features according to this article. Adobe used it for some of its applications, including Illustrator, Photoshop, etc., and developed using C++. Winamp Media Player uses it. Winamp Media Player from Microsoft is a popular software that has been catering to all of our audio and video needs for decades now. The software is developed in C++. Database software. C++ is also used in writing database management software. The two most popular databases, MySQL and Postgres, are written in C++. MySQL Server. MySQL Server, one of the most popular database softwares that has been widely in many real-world applications, written in C++. Operating systems. The fact that C++ is strongly typed and fast programming language makes it an ideal candidate for writing operating systems. In addition to the C++, has a wide collection of system-level functions that also help in writing low-level programs. Apple OS, one of them. Apple OS X has some of its parts written in C++. Similarly, some parts of the iPod are also written in C++. Microsoft Windows OS. Most of the software from Microsoft is developed using C++. Flavors of Visual C++. Applications like Windows 95, ME, 98, XP, etc. are written in C++. Apart from this, the IDE, Visual Studio, Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Office are written in C++. Browsers are mostly used in C++ for rendering purposes. Rendering engines need to be faster. Execution are most people do not like to wait for the web page to be loaded, according to this website. With the fast performance of C++, most browsers have their rendering software written in C++, as you know. Mozilla Firefox is an open source project and developed completely in C++. Thunderbird, Mozilla Thunderbird. Just like Firefox browser, the email client from Mozilla Thunderbird is developed in C++. This is also an open source project. Google applications like Google File System and Chrome browser are written in C++. Advanced computation and graphics. C++ is useful in developing an application that requires high-performance image processing, real-time physical simulations, and mobile sensor applications that need high performance and speed. Alias system. Maya 3D software from the Alias system is developed in C++ and used for animation and virtual reality, 3D graphics, and environments. Interesting. Now you know. Banking applications. As C++ aids in concurrency, it becomes the default choice for banking applications that require multi-threading and concurrency and high performance. Infosys Finacle is written in C++. Cloud distribution systems. Bloomberg is a distributed RDBMS application that is used for accuracy, providing real-time financial information and news to investors. While Bloomberg's RDBMS is written in C, its development environment and set of libraries are written in C++. Now you know. Compilers of various high-level programming languages are written in either C or C++. The reason is that both C and C++ are low-level languages that are close to hardware and are able to program and manipulate the underlying hardware resources. Interesting, now you know. Embedded systems. Various embedded systems like smart watches and medical equipment systems use C++. Important to note. To program, as it is closer to the hardware level and can provide a lot of low-level function calls when compared to the other high-level programming languages. You should note that one right there. That's a very important note. Enterprise software. C++ is used in developing many enterprise software as well as advanced applications like flight simulation and radar processing. Now you know. Libraries. When we require very high-level mathematical computations, performance and speed become important. Hence, most libraries are C++ as the core programming language. Most high-level machine language libraries are C++ as the backend. Now you know. C++ is faster than most other languages and also supports multi-threading with concurrency. Thus, an application where speed along with concurrency is required, C++ is the most sought-after language for development. Now you know, you got to go one direction with this. C++. Apart from speed and performance, C++ is now also close to hardware, and we can easily manipulate hardware resources using C++ low-level functions. Thus, C++ requires the obvious choice for the applications that require low-level manipulations in hardware programming. Again. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we have seen various applications of C++ languages, as well as software programs that are written in C++. There were about 12 that we as software professionals use every day. Though C++ is a tough programming language to learn, you got to learn it, the range of application that can be developed using C++ is simply astonishing. So was this helpful? Was it not helpful? This is from softwaretestinghelp.com/CPP-applications. So / updated on June 17th, 2023. Now you know, take a look into the world of C++.